In this video, I am going to show you how to download WordPress website from Cpanel. So let's get started. So at first, we are going to log into our Cpanel account. When you will purchase the web hosting, you will receive all the Cpanel details on your email which is attached to your web hosting. And you can use that details to log into your Cpanel account. So we are going to download our WordPress website in two steps. In the first step, we are going to download our WordPress website files. And in the second step, we are going to download our WordPress website database. So let's see how we can do it. So from the Cpanel account, scroll down to File section. So here it is. And after that, just click on File Manager. Now click on public_HTML. And if you have multiple websites on your web hosting, then here you will see multiple folders. Now we are going to select our website folder. So here it is. So we are going to double click on it. So now we are in the website folder. And after that, we are going to download our website files. So to do this, from the top, we are going to click on select all. And all the files will be selected. And after that, from the top, again, we are going to click on compress. And then we are going to select zip archive and then click on compress files. It will take a little bit and all the files will be compressed in a one zip file. So as you can see that our files are now compressed, and now we are going to click on close. And now from the top, if I click on reload button, and here we will see our compressed file. So now to download this file, we are going to select it, then right click on it, and after that we are going to click on download. And as you can see that our file is started downloading to our computer. And now we are going to see how we can download our WordPress website database. So to download our WordPress website database, so we will go back to Cpanel dashboard again. And after that we are going to scroll down to databases section. And from here we are going to click on PHP My Admin. If you have multiple databases, at first you need to find out your WordPress website database. So to find out your WordPress website database, go to File Manager, and after that from your WordPress website files, click on wp-config, and after that just click on Edit, then click on Edit again. Now scroll down and here you will see your WordPress website database. So we are going to click on it. Now to download our WordPress website database, we are going to scroll down. And after that, we are going to click on this checkbox, check all. Now we are going to click on this drop down with selected. And after that, we are going to click on export. Now click on export. And as you can see that our database is now also exported and downloaded to our computer. So this is how you can download your WordPress website from Cpanel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.